adding AdWords Remarketing tag to your website using Google Tag Manager. To add remarketing tags to our website, we need to have a few things in place. We should have our Google Tag Manager already installed on our website. We should have access to our website, Google Tag Manager, and Google Ads account. Once they are in place, we begin with Google Ads. We head over to Tools and Settings, and under Shared Library, click on Audience Manager. When you set up remarketing tags for the first time, you will see the option to set up an audience source. Since this account contains previously created tags, we click on your data sources. Inside it, we will see a lot of sources. We are going to use Google Ads tag. For first-time users, you would need to click on Set Up Tag. For us, the editing option is shown here directly. Set up Google Ads data source. This is our step 1 where we create our data source. There are two options: collect general website data or collect data for specific actions that people perform on your website. We are going to collect data for the basic remarketing purpose. Save and continue. Here we choose how we want to install Google Ads tag on our website. We select Google Tag Manager. Copy this conversion ID. We can also see detailed instructions. Now, we go to Google Tag Manager to set up our remarketing within it. Add Google Ads tag to Google Tag Manager. On our Google Tag Manager, we go to the Workspace section. Under Tags, we press New to add a new tag. We have got tag configuration as well as the trigger. So, first we set up the tag configuration. As you can see, Google Tag Manager already has some pre-built tags. We are going to select Google Ads Remarketing. Now it asks us for the conversion ID, the same ID that we copied from our Google Ads account. As a best practice, set up your Google conversion ID in the form of a variable. This is because the Google Ads conversion ID is unique to every Google Ads account, so it does not change. So, let us say if you want to set up conversion tracking in the future, you can use this same variable when you are asked to put the ID. This way you don't have to go back to Google Ads account and copy the ID. To set up the variable, we click on the Lego. It takes us to choose a variable. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner. In the Variable Configuration button, scroll down and select Constant. Paste the conversion ID and name the variable. So if we ever have to use the ID again, we can easily find it here. Save it. Since we saved it as a variable, the variable is already pulled inside the ID field. For now, we don't need this conversion label. We leave the rest of the settings as it is, and click on Triggering. Well, a trigger basically tells your tag to fire when an event such as button click, form submission, or page view occurs. Here we select all pages for page view event. It means if anyone views a page on our website, the trigger will record this event. As we have set up the tag configuration and trigger, we give our tag a name and hit Save. Test the remarketing tracking in preview mode. We now test whether the tracking works fine on the website. Remember, our GTM code is already installed on the website, so on Google Tag Manager, we click on Preview. It takes us to Google Tag Assistant, where it opens our website into debug mode. We can see the Google Ads Remarketing tag and it fired once. This means the tag is set up successfully. Now, we go back to Google Tag Manager and hit Submit. We publish our container and give it a name that's easily identifiable. This container has our new tag with the Google Ads Remarketing code on it. It will be activated on our website. To cross-check whether everything is working fine, install Google Tag Assistant extension from the Chrome store. Refresh the website. The extension shows the Google Ads Remarketing tag active on our website, with the conversion ID that is the same as what we have in the Google Ads. Create a remarketing audience list. Now, since everything is set up, we will create our remarketing audience list from Google Ads. To create it, inside the Audience Manager, under Segments, click on the blue plus icon. Select Website Visitors. Give it a name. We can track visitors on specific pages by putting the URL without the HTTPS part. To create our audience, we can start with an empty list or a pre-filled with an audience who interacted with our business in the past 30 days. Then we set how long our audience should stay in the remarketing list. We can even name the audience as per that. Finally, we click on Create Audience. That's it. We can see the audience name. It will start populating within 24 to 48 hours. So that's how you can add remarketing tags to your website. You can start creating your Google Ads remarketing campaigns using Mediaqart. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.